Hi, girls! Welcome back to my art class. Today, we are going to create something super cute for Barbie. A beautiful, sparkly Hello Kitty outfit, a yellow dress, a matching purse, and pretty shoes. Yay! Ooh, yeah!
Drawing.
First, let's sketch this lovely dress with a big ribbon around the waist. Next, we design a cute matching purse and these little princess shoes. Don't forget the tiny Hello Kitty face on the top.
Coloring.
Red. Look at the big red bow! It's so adorable, girls! Yellow. Now let's paint it all with a bright sunny yellow. It's so beautiful. Gray. Black. Let's add black polka dots everywhere and a red hearts on the bottom. White.
Sparkle.
Time for the magic glitter! 1, 2, 3, plim! Wow, look at it shine!
Dress up.
Princess Barbie, look at her real yellow dress, her cute purse, and her shoes. She is ready for a party. So beautiful in her Hello Kitty style. Thank you for watching and drawing with me today, girls. Click on the next video right now to see more fun and sparkly dress-up stories. Bye-bye!